In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WhatsApp account online in about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for those looking to step away from WhatsApp, maybe for a digital detox, privacy concerns, or simply moving on to another platform. Whatever your reason, it's essential to know the steps to do this securely and efficiently. So let's dive into the process and demystify it. First things first, head over to WhatsApp by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official WhatsApp website. This step is straightforward but crucial as it sets the stage for the subsequent actions. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with various options. But, for now, our focus is on preparing ourselves for the account deletion process. After you're on the WhatsApp homepage, the next step involves a bit of navigation within the site. Look for the settings option. This should be fairly easy to locate, but bear in mind that the website's layout might differ depending on updates or the device you're using. The settings option is where you can customize your WhatsApp experience, but it's also the gateway to more administrative actions like managing your account. Upon clicking settings, your next move is to select the account option. This section is dedicated to all things related to your WhatsApp account, including privacy settings, security features, and change number options. However, today our focus is on how to delete the account, so we'll bypass these options and look at what's next. Here's where things take a turn. Unlike many other services, WhatsApp does not currently offer a way to delete your account via its web app or desktop version. This might be a bit surprising or even inconvenient, but not to worry, it's an easy enough hurdle to overcome. You'll need to switch gears and pick up your smartphone, as the deletion process can only be carried out using the WhatsApp mobile app. While it may seem like an added step, the necessity to use the mobile app for account deletion is tied to security measures, ensuring that the process is as secure as possible. This approach minimizes the risk of accounts being deleted without the owner's consent. Now let's walk through what you will do on your mobile device. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone, navigate to the settings section, which should be accessible through a button or icon depending on your phone's operating system. Within settings, find and tap on the account option. Here you will find various account related settings, but importantly you will also see the option to delete my account. Selecting delete my account will lead you through a few steps to confirm your choice. You'll likely be asked to input your phone number, the one linked to your WhatsApp account, as a part of the verification process. Following this, WhatsApp may ask you to provide a reason for leaving, which is optional. These steps are in place to confirm your identity and intentions. Before you hit that final delete button, let's pause and consider a few things. Deleting your WhatsApp account is irreversible. This action will erase your message history, delete you from all your WhatsApp groups, and remove your WhatsApp backups. If there's any information, photos, or chats you might want to save, take the time to back them up or export them before deletion. Once you're sure, proceed with the deletion. And just like that, you've successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. The process might seem a bit roundabout, especially with the need to switch to a mobile device, but it's designed to protect your data and ensure that the decision to delete is a deliberate one. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. If you're leaving WhatsApp for privacy reasons, it might be wise to review and adjust privacy settings on other platforms you use. Digital privacy is crucial, and taking proactive steps can help safeguard your personal information online. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete your WhatsApp account online. Remember, taking a step back from social media or messaging apps can be a refreshing change, opening up more time for offline activities or exploring new platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more useful guides and tech tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.